Namaskaram, welcome to ServiceNow India. We are at a series of CAD certification playlists, which is first part out of 13. Let's dive into the questionnaires. Which table in ServiceNow stores the details of customization included in an update set? Generally, the update set will store all the customizations. For the updates, generally stored in the form of XML. For this, we go with something called as sys underscore update underscore XML, where all these customizations are stored in the form of XML. Let's go into the second question. What is ServiceNow Store? Like, what is the significance of ServiceNow Store? This is a marketplace for fee and paid certified ServiceNow applications and integrations. And what is the event registry? Okay, then this is a table containing a record for every event known to ServiceNow system, which allows ServiceNow to react when events are generated. Like, it is nothing but called as repositories of events. The next question will be, what is the endpoint when configuring a REST message? Like, this is the URI of the data to be accessed, queried, or modified. And the next question will be, what does the read-only protection policy for script include allow in a custom application? For that, application developers can view the script logic but not change it. And the next question will be, why are application files important? Like, choose two answers. The application files are important because they monitor application performance metrics and they define application logic and behavior. And the next question will be, an application developer wants to review the scripts, reports, and other application artifacts included in a published application. What steps are taken to review those items? To review those items, we need to examine the application files related list in the application to be published. And the next question will be, what link type creates a module that opens a record producer UI instead of a form UI? This is nothing but the URL from the arguments. And the next question will be, is it possible to change an application scope? Yes, of course, we can change the application scope according to our usage. And the next question will be, what is the default module name when a new application table is created? Then what is the prefix of it? Okay, this could be like plural form of the application name. And then come towards the next question will be, how can an application respond to an event triggered by gs.eventQueue method? We have to choose two answers here. Here we can, like, it will respond by script action along with email notification. And next question will be, what is displayed to delegated developers to package changes for deployment in ServiceNow Studio? The publish button is displayed to delegate developers. And the next question will be, what can a developer do with REST API Explorer? Like, we can do many more things with the REST API Explorer. For these options, we can create a sample code for sending REST API request to ServiceNow and test API endpoints on ServiceNow. Like, that's it for today. Thanks for having your time. Jai Hind. See you soon in the next video.